Okay, so let's try tan of 3x plus pi over 2. So first thing I'm going to do is rewrite it, because if I have a number in front of the x, I want to factor it out. So tan of 3 times, dividing by 3, so 3x divided by 3 is x. Pi over 2 divided by 3 would be pi over 2 times 1/3, so pi over 6. So again, dividing fractions, flip the second one and multiply. So nothing changing the amplitude, which is fine with tan. Tan doesn't really have an amplitude. If I have my regular graph of tan, it does pi over 2, negative pi over 2. That's where I end up with my asymptotes. It goes through 0, 0. To the right, it goes up and follows the vertical asymptote. To the left, it goes down and follows the vertical asymptote. So this one is going to have its period change. Tan has a period of pi. And if I divide it by the thing that's affecting the horizontal stretch or shrink, 3, I'm going to get a period of pi over 3. Which means to change my period, all I did was divide stuff by 3. So I'm going to do that to this graph of tan. I'm going to divide each of these points by 3. So instead of negative pi over 2, negative pi over 2 divided by 3 would be negative pi over 6. Instead of pi over 2, pi over 2 divided by 3 would be pi over 6. 0 divided by 3 is still 0. So I get something that looks more like this. So the other thing that's happening to this is I have a shift, where I'm subtracting pi over 6 from each part. So if I move it, I guess we'll come down here to move it. So negative pi over 6 minus pi over 6 would be negative 2 pi over 6. So negative pi over 3. Draw my asymptote in. 0 minus pi over 6 is negative pi over 6. And pi over 6 minus pi over 6 is 0. So I actually have an asymptote on the axis. So again, if I draw my graph, right and toward the vertical asymptote, left and toward the vertical asymptote, down. So right and up, left and down. Okay.